In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete the footer in Elementor. This is a simple process, but it can be a bit tricky if you haven't done it before, so I'll be guiding you through each step to make it as seamless as possible. First, let's talk a little about why you might want to delete the footer in the first place. Maybe you're redesigning your website, and the footer you previously had in place no longer complements your new design vision. Or perhaps you want to start from scratch to add a customized footer that better represents your brand. Whatever the reason, removing the current footer is the first step in making your site look exactly how you want. Now, assuming you have Elementor installed and activated on your WordPress site, let's dive right in. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over on the left-hand sidebar and find the Templates tab. Click on it, and from there, choose Saved Templates. Here, you'll see a list of all the templates that you've saved, and this includes your footer template. Locate the footer template you want to delete. Depending on how your templates are organized, you may see several different ones here, so make sure you're picking the correct one. If you have many saved templates, you might find it helpful to use the Search Templates field to narrow down your options quickly. Once you've found the footer template, hover over it, and you'll see a few options appear beneath the template name, including Edit and Trash. Click on Trash to delete it. This action will move the footer template to the trash bin, effectively removing it from your site. Don't worry if you realize you want it back, you can always restore it from the trash if needed. At this point, your footer should no longer appear on the live site. Sometimes, though, changes might not be immediately visible due to caching. If you don't see the effect right away, clear your browser's cache and check once more. Additionally, ensure any caching plugins you use have been cleared as well. If your goal is to replace the deleted footer with something new, you're now ready to create and insert a fresh design. Use Elementor's drag and drop functionality to build a footer that suits your needs and publish it using the same functions you used to delete the old one. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your footer in Elementor. By following these steps, you can easily remove and replace elements in your site design without hassle. If you found this guide helpful or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!